So I have the Tapo C520WS here, and I'm gonna answer the question where you can insert the SD card in this camera, okay? So as you can see, it's here on my desk, and to insert the SD card, it's pretty simple. You just need to grab your camera and move the lens all the way up. In here, you're gonna find this rubber flap. In here, you can just open it and insert the SD card just right here into this slot, right? So I have here this microSD card from Lexar. It's a good brand and works pretty fine. This one is 32 gigabytes. It's a fast card. Then I can insert it here, just like so. Looking, this face is like facing up here. Then I just press here until I hear a click. Close the rubber flap and move the lens down again. And it's ready to go. But you just need also to connect here the cable and format the SD card after the camera comes up, right? Otherwise, it's not gonna work. The card usually comes, when you buy it, it comes formatted in a different way. The camera needs format to work better the way the camera needs to, right? You're gonna see the camera spinning that way, horizontally and then vertically. And it takes a while, then you can have the camera working here on a cell phone. I assume that you have the Tapo app and the camera already working. Okay, I'll just put the camera back there so you can see some motion out there. And you can also record, format the card, okay? So just wait for a while until the camera shows up here. It's going to connect to the internet and then you can format the card. You see that I have available here. Then I can just come here to the gear icon, and here on storage recordings, I can just come to the camera and format the SD card from here. Okay, so super simple. Basically, it's going to format here depending on the size of your card. It's going to take a while to format. Then the camera will start recording according to everything here that you have. There is recording schedule, and also here in the main menu, the detection, okay? If the camera is detecting motion, it's going to record by motion detection. And you're good to go, okay? Basically, that's the way you can insert an SD card on a Tapo C520WS. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.